Hi everyone, welcome back to Unreal with Usman. In today's video, I will show you how to play the video inside a widget in Unreal Engine 5. It is going to be very easy tutorial to follow, so let's get started. Now as you can see, the video is playing very smoothly and perfectly. Whether it is for a main menu, loading screen, intro cinematics or tutorial screen, this is very easiest to follow. So let's get started. So as you can see, I am in a default Unreal Engine third-person character template. On here, first I go to my plugins folder, just add it into plugins folder. On here, I just simply search for the Electra player. Now on this Electra player, just enable it. When you enable it, the engine asking for you restart the engine. So just restart now. So after restarting the Unreal Engine, in a content folder, I just create a new folder called movies. Make sure you create the folder with the same name and with the same spelling. Once you create the movies folder, I go to my video. Here's my video. I just copied that video. I am in my project files. I just go to content, and now the folder is created on here, that same folder that we created in Unreal Engine. Now open that folder and just paste the video on here. After that, we again get back to Unreal Engine. In Unreal Engine, I just simply import the same video that we placed in the movie section. So just press the import button and select the video and just open in Unreal Engine. When you open it, it already import the same video. Now when I open the file media source, just make sure that you have the same file path. Like currently I have movies and intro play video m.mp4. Now go in advanced section and also enable this option, and in Android section make sure you select the Electra player. Now after saving that, I just go in my media section and select the option of the media player, enable this option. When you press OK, it creates the two files for you. The first one is the media player. When you open the media player and click the intro play video, it is automatically play the video for you. Like it is playing the same video for me. On this step, if you see that your video is not playing, so just repeat the step again. After that, I click on the media textures and create the material. Now go in a material file and select the material domain, change from surface to user interface. Now connect RGB to final color. Now apply and save it. Now go in a content folder and create a new folder called widgets. In widgets folder, new widget blueprint called WBP intro video. Just open that widget blueprint. On here, I first search for the canvas panel and simply just for the image and drag that image into my canvas panel and just set its anchor to full. Now for this image, in a brush section, select the material that we created. Like in a movie section, I create this material. Just select this material and paste on here. Now just go to the graph section, and on here I create a new variable called media source and just make sure its type it's media player. Just select this option, media player, to the object reference. Now drag this media source, get it and search for the open source. Just connect to the event construct. Now when I compile it, save it and click on the media source. When you click on the media source, it will automatically give to the option. Just select a new media player, compile it. Now for the open source, also select the intro play video compile it. Now for after media source, just search for the play and connect to the play. Now when I go to my media player, I see I have a video of 10 seconds. Now after add a delay, and after a 10 second, I just simply remove from player. Now here's the setup to play a video. Now compile it, save it. Now I just simply go to my player controller class. On player controller class, I just simply create a widget. Select my WBP intro video and add to viewport. And just add a sequence and connect to my create widget. Now this is the setup that we create to play the video, but if we want a sound, we just have to add a new component called media sound, and just select this media sound and go in a media player and just select our new media player, then drag a media player. After add to viewport, I just search for the start and just start the media player. Now this is a setup. Now we test it. Now when I press the play button, as you can see, my video is playing perfectly with the sound. So this is all the setup that we gonna use to play the video, and it is working perfectly and smoothly, and after 10-second delay the video is automatically removed from the parent. So that's all for this video. If it helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.